Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download Monopoly Go on your iOS device. To download the Monopoly Go application on your iOS, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store. Tap on the App Store icon on your home screen and tap the search button at the bottom right-hand corner. Go to the search box at the top and type in Monopoly Go. Once you search for the Monopoly Go application, go ahead and pick this one up from the search result and tap on the Get or the Download button. Monopoly Go is a mobile board game developed by Scopely. It was released in 2023 for Android and iOS devices. It's based on the classic Monopoly board game but brings a modern twist with augmented reality elements. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application should be downloaded. Just make sure to be connected to a stable internet and you will be good to go. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Monopoly Go on your iOS device. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode.